Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini. Today's reading is going to be different, Gemini. We are picking cards for your career situation and relationship, guys. This card is for your career situation, Gemini, and this is for your relationship. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general reading. So let's start with the card for your career situation, guys. Gemini. So it is flexible for your career situation. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, it just means you need to be really flexible if you want success and prosperity, being open minded and being really adaptable without compromising on what is important for you for your career situation, guys. So you need to be really flexible, guys, but you need to hold on to what is really important. So a tree just has roots in the ground, that is planted in the ground, but the branches are really flexible in a huge wind, so it will not come crashing down so easily. So you need to understand that you have to hold on to the beliefs or ideals, what is truly important to you, and be grounded in that. But at the same time, you need to be open minded to be flexible to the ideas of other people, whatever they are saying. Remain curious, stay open, and stay aware of the ideas or some knowledge you are gaining in your work situation, guys. The same way, you need to have that clear vision what it is for you in your work, and you need to be open for opportunities coming your way. You should not be rigid, holding on only to your ideas or to the way of your work. You need to be really flexible if you want success and greater opportunities in your life. And you need to remember that maybe sometimes certain things will happen which is not up to your expectation, and you may feel let down or sad, but you need to understand that there are better plans for you in your life and things much better will come towards you. But you need to be willing to bend a little for to reach or to grab that success or grab that opportunity in your career situation, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It is time for a nap. So with this card, it just means that this card just means we need a temporary break or rest today, guys, and this is the time for us to step away and assess our situation, go into non-action. So free ourselves of all the goals or the lists that we have, the desires that we have. So nothing is more important as rest or detachment or neutrality today in our situation. So the same way in your relationship, this may not be the right time to make a decision today. So there no need to make any plans. If you have a partner, this is the time you need to see things more clearly, understand yourself and understand the other person. Just relax, spend time with them. Don't force anything, just allow things to flow naturally, guys, and you will see that your relationship is renewing itself beautifully. And patience is the key, guys. Patience is what is called for today, and you need to take a rest or a break. Maybe if you were seeing some difficult situation in your relationship, this may not be the right time to make any decision. You just have to wait, be patient, see where things are leading you both, and your relationship may become rejuvenated. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Gemini, and that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Gretel, ingenuity. So with this card, guys, in your situation, maybe in your life, in your past, you would have felt let down by people older than you, maybe your parents or your older siblings, and you would have faced a lot of challenges in your life, in your past, but you are someone who will not go easy under any difficult circumstance. So you are a fighter. You show courage, strength and determination to overcome any difficult circumstance, and you are someone who is really friendly, helpful, and you help others, you help people in your life, maybe your friends or family members, and you are a true defender of friends and family, and you work well in teams. You are a really friendly, kind and compassionate person, quick thinking and very protective, and you are devoted to the people you love. So maybe in your life today there is a circumstance coming up that is kindling the strength and determination in your heart in the situation, and you are gearing up to face this difficult circumstance that is right in front of you. But you need not worry, guys. You are going to be successful. You are going to come out successful with people appreciating you, people loving you, and people feeling inspired to be with you and to see you. And there are people considering you as an ideal person, ideal way of living. So you are very wise, and you are a teacher, you are a wise person, and you inspire others, and you have clear thinking, clarity, and you know what should be done. But maybe for some reason you are waiting or you are analyzing your situation, but you need not worry, guys. You are going to come out successfully out of this difficult situation you are facing today, guys, and people will come to help you and they love to help you. That is what I see with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, be discerning. So this angel card, it just means that in our life we are simply caught up. We just forget what we like and we just go with the crowd sometimes, guys. But what makes us unique in our life is the choices that we make along the way in our life and each action we take up. So Making that clear choices based on our likes and dislikes will help us align to the type of life we want to live. So maybe if we are interested in some kind of creative art, if we want to take up some kind of a profession based on creative art, we have to gear up for that. So something which we love to do, something which we are really passionate about. So we need to understand that what is important in life for us, what really matters the most for us, not only in the bigger things but even in the smaller choices that we make. And before making choices, we need to ask ourselves where we stand in that particular circumstance and what is important to us. And we should not confuse ourselves uh, by discerning. It does not mean that we have to be judgmental. We should not confuse ourselves, we must be careful. And this angel card is an angel card of wisdom, and it helps us to understand the real truth from perceived truth in our circumstance and the genuine from the superficial. So you are going to see clarity. Maybe you are looking for clarity in your circumstance and you don't know what is the truth, and today you will get to know the truth behind what you see. So the truth inside the circumstance that is going to come towards you. You are going to learn about it, and you will be guided towards wisdom in your circumstance, and you will be filled with confidence. So that is what I see with this card, guys, this angel guidance card. So that is the reading for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.